Hello and welcome to this beginner's English lesson on fruits. Today we'll be learning about some common fruits and how to pronounce them correctly in English. Let's start with one of the most popular fruits, the orange. Repeat after me. Orange. Next up, we have the apple. Repeat after me. Apple. Good job. Apples are round, red or green in color, and are a great source of fiber and vitamin C. Moving on to a tropical fruit, the pineapple. Say it with me. Pineapple. Great job. Pineapples have a spiky exterior and a sweet, juicy interior. They are also a good source of vitamin C and manganese. Now let's learn about a pear. Pears are fruits growing on a tree and harvested in late summer into October. Repeat after me. Pear. Next up, we have the banana. Say it with me. Banana. Excellent. Bananas are a long, curved fruit that are yellow when ripe. They are also a good source of potassium, which helps with muscle function. Grapefruit. The grapefruit is a subtropical citrus fruit known for its relatively large, sour to semi-sweet and somewhat bitter fruit. The inner flesh is segmented and varies in color from pale yellow to deep pink. Clementine. A clementine is a citrus fruit hybrid between a willow leaf mandarin orange and a sweet orange. Lemon. It is a delicious acidic and juicy fruit. Lemon. Next up, we have the strawberry. Repeat after me, strawberry. Excellent. Strawberries are small, red fruits that are often used in desserts. They are also a great source of vitamin C and antioxidants. Grape. A grape is a small, round, smooth-skinned edible fruit, usually purple, red, or green. Cherries. Cherries are small, stone fruits that come in a wide variety of colors and flavors. Mango. A mango is an edible stone fruit produced by the tropical tree. Peach. It bears edible juicy fruits with various characteristics. Peach. Raspberry. The raspberry is the edible fruit of a multitude of plant species in the genus Rubus of the rose family. Blueberry. Blueberries are a widely distributed and widespread group of perennial flowering plants with blue or purple berries. We have the watermelon. Say it with me. Watermelon. Well done. Watermelons are large, round fruits with a green exterior and a red, juicy interior. They are a great source of hydration and also contain vitamins A and C. Melon. A melon is any of various plants of the family Cucurbitaceae with sweet, edible, and fleshy fruit. Kiwi. Kiwis are fruits of several species of vines of the genus Actinidia. Pomegranate. Pomegranates are sweet, juicy fruits with edible seeds called arils packed tightly inside. Guava. Guava is a popular tropical fruit that is grown in many tropical and subtropical regions. Fig. The fig is the edible fruit of Ficus carica. Avocado. Avocado is a bright green fruit with a large pit and dark skin. Apricot. An apricot is a round, sweet and juicy stone fruit, resembling peach. Almond. The almond fruit is a plant consisting of an outer hull and a hard shell containing the seeds. Date. Dates are the fruit of the date palm tree. Let's read the names of the fruits again. Please repeat with me. Orange. Apple. Pineapple. Pear. Banana. Grapefruit. Clementine. Lemon. Strawberry. Grape. Cherries. Mango. Peach. Raspberry. Watermelon. Melon. Kiwi. Pomegranate. Guava. Fig. Almond. Date. Blueberry. Avocado. That's it for this beginner's lesson on fruits in English. Remember to practice the pronunciation of these words to improve your English skills. Thanks for watching and see you in the next lesson.